Hi folks, today I will show you how to set up GitLab like a boss. Please pay attention on these params in the Docker compose file. Okay, we will execute two scripts. First we'll deploy Gitlab and runners, and second we'll set up and register runners. And one tricky moment. Because we bind GitLab and web UI to localhost, we should modify etc/hosts on host machine to get access to web UI by name. And as usual, all scripts will be in description below, so here we go. The process gets some time, and when script will be completed to the end, you will see initial root password for first login. And don't forget to change admin password in user management console. Well, our job is almost done. Now let's switch to runners tab, and as you can see, it's empty. Well, it's time for second script in our folder, and as arguments it receives the Gitlab-runner container name and the registration token. And if you check the Docker compose file, you will see that the 4 replicas of runner containers and GitLab itself are in the same subnet. Okay, all 4 runners registered successfully. Let's check it in GitLab Web UI. Now we refresh the page and they appear. Magic, isn't it? Well, job is done, and it's time to open Steam and play some games. Wait a minute, I forgot that my boss subscribed to this channel yesterday. Oh, I think I shouldn't do that. Well, I should go. Goodbye.